In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit code on Shopify. Editing the code of your Shopify store might sound intimidating at first, especially if you're not a seasoned coder. However, Shopify has made it quite straightforward to make changes to your theme's code, to help customize your store, to better fit your brand, or to add new functionalities. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. It's important to start from the official platform to ensure you're securely logging into your account. Once there, look for the login button, which is usually prominently displayed. This is your gateway to access your store's backend, where all the magic happens. After clicking on login, the next step is to enter your credentials. If you have multiple stores or accounts, make sure to use the credentials linked to the store you want to edit. Shopify takes security seriously, so you might be asked to verify your identity. Don't worry, it's all part of ensuring that only you have access to your store's sensitive areas. Now, once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you control almost every aspect of your store. Look for the online store section, which, as you might guess, takes you to where you can manage everything about your store's appearance and public-facing elements. Inside the online store section, you'll notice several options, but what we're interested in today is the theme settings. Shopify themes control how your store looks to your customers. You can change colors, layouts, and even functionalities to some extent directly from the themes menu, but for deeper customization, we need to dive into the code. Upon finding your theme listed, there will be an Actions button or possibly 3 dots indicating more options. Click on that, and amongst the drop-down you'll find the Edit Code option. This is the entrance to the backstage of your store's appearance. Inside here, you're no longer just adjusting settings. You're modifying the very blueprint of how your store is structured and behaves. As you've entered the code editing area, you'll notice that Shopify's theme code is organized into sections like Layout, Templates, Sections, Snippets, Assets, and Config. Each of these folders contains different types of code files that serve distinct purposes. For instance, Layout controls the general layout of your store. Templates deal with specific pages like your home page or product pages, and Assets hosts your images, style sheets, and JavaScript files. To edit a specific part of your store, you'll want to navigate to the relevant file. For example, if you want to change something about how your product pages are displayed, you would go into the Templates folder and look for the product-related files. Similarly, if you wanted to modify the overall style of your store, you might edit the CSS files found within the Assets folder. Remember, it's crucial to tread carefully when editing code, especially if you're not experienced. Even a small mistake can have big implications on how your store looks and functions. It's always a good idea to make a copy of any file before you start editing it, so you have a backup to revert to if things don't go as planned. Congratulations! You've just taken a significant step towards customizing your Shopify store beyond the basics. Whether you're tweaking a few styles to better match your brand, or overhauling entire page layouts for a unique shopping experience, you now know where to start. Remember, the changes you make here have a direct impact on your store's look and feel, so experiment wisely. And that's a wrap on how to edit code on Shopify. While these steps are just the beginning of what's possible with Shopify's theming and customization capabilities, they open up a world of opportunities for personalizing and enhancing your online store. Happy coding, and here's to making your Shopify store uniquely yours.